Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to get fit and stay healthy, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be diving into 3 of the best fitness apps for Android that can help you reach your fitness goals, whether you're aiming to lose weight, build muscle, or simply stay active. These apps offer personalized plans, structured challenges, and comprehensive guidance to make your fitness journey effective and enjoyable. Let's jump right in. Fitness Gym Workout Plan. Fitness Gym Workout Plan is a comprehensive app designed to help users create and follow personalized workout routines tailored to their fitness goals. The app features a vast library of exercises across various categories, including strength training, cardio, and flexibility. Users can select workouts based on their fitness level or specific objectives, whether it's building muscle, losing weight, or improving overall fitness. The app also offers features such as progress tracking, workout reminders, and instructional videos to ensure users perform exercises correctly and safely. With its user-friendly interface and customizable plans, Fitness Gym Workout Plan is perfect for both beginners and experienced fitness enthusiasts. Fitness Coach Weight Loss. Fitness Coach Weight Loss is a dedicated app focused on helping users achieve their weight loss goals through effective workout plans and nutrition guidance. The app provides personalized fitness coaching, offering tailored workout routines that adapt to the user's fitness level and preferences. In addition to workouts, it includes meal planning and nutrition tips, helping users maintain a healthy diet that aligns with their weight loss objectives. Users can track their progress, set achievable goals, and receive motivational tips to keep them on track. With its comprehensive approach to weight loss and fitness, Fitness Coach Weight Loss is an ideal companion for anyone looking to shed extra pounds and adopt a healthier lifestyle. "30-Day Fitness Challenge." 30-Day Fitness Challenge is a unique app designed to motivate users through structured 30-day fitness challenges aimed at improving strength, endurance, flexibility, and overall fitness. Each challenge focuses on different muscle groups and provides users with a smooth progression to build their fitness level over the month. The app features instructional videos demonstrating each exercise, making it easy for users to follow along. Users can customize their challenges based on their fitness levels, ensuring that both beginners and advanced users can participate. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best fitness apps inspires you to take charge of your health and fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Which fitness app are you excited to try? Let us know below. Until next time, stay active and keep moving.